Trisha, and I'm a virtual assistant from Outsourcing Angel.
Hi there, I'm Fiona and I am a media buyer VA.
Hey there, my name is Mylyn and I'm a VA from Outsourcing Angel.
I researched about Outsourcing Angel and learned on their website that they do charity works and that a part of their profits help support rural communities in the Philippines. And that's when I thought, I want to be a part of that. I want to be a part of this company.
As a social media manager, my typical workday is quite dynamic and encompasses a variety of tasks. So I handle administrative duties, tackle ad hoc requests, manage email marketing campaigns, engage in video editing and graphic designing.
I think what truly set Outsourcing Angel VAs apart is our unwavering commitment to accountability, discipline, commitment, and integrity.
The first one is the flexibility it offers. Ability of work during the daytime, avoiding the need for the late night shifts, and ensuring a healthier work-life balance. And my second favorite thing is the sense of community within Outsourcing Angel. Having access to a supportive network where VAs can seek guidance and assistance, even with challenging questions, is invaluable. Lastly, what I truly admire about Outsourcing Angel is their commitment to innovation and branding.
Adaptability. As VAs, we are in this ever-changing and fast-moving landscape, and being able to roll with the punches and learn as you go is essential to be able to thrive in this growing industry. When it comes to tools and software, I rely on platforms like Facebook Ads Manager, marketing automation tools, project management tools like ClickUp, and then communication channels like Slack to keep things running smoothly on a day-to-day basis.
One of the challenges I faced was when I needed to skill in e-commerce. Outsourcing Angel provided me some trainings and mentorship for me to improve on that particular task, and that made a big difference.
The people that work behind the scenes. So the caring, committed, and dedicated team who always going above and beyond to support not only our clients, but also us, their VAs. Miss Wendy is our general manager and I rely on her for pretty much everything. Super friendly, accommodating, and just an all-around awesome person. She's like the guardian angel of our team, always looking out for us and making sure everything runs smoothly.
Since I've become a VA, I've learned a lot of skills in the past, expanded my skill set, so looking forward to learn more skills and opportunities for growth inside the Outsourcing Angel.
From fitness programs to health benefits, they really prioritize our well-being. I also get to have the time to serve at our local church and then support the ministries that I belong in, and then travel, which I really love doing once in a while. Us VAs play a crucial role in our clients' success. So by being proactive, reliable, and continuously improving in our craft or our skills, we not only support our clients' growth, but we also become indispensable members of our teams.
Never stop learning, take advantage of the resources, training opportunities, seek feedback to your clients and your colleagues, and don't be afraid to come out of your comfort zone.